keeping pace with time, thriving in a constantly changing world. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, keep pace with time. This expression is a powerful reminder of the need to evolve, adapt, and stay updated with the ongoing changes in our world. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, professional development, or just out of curiosity, understanding phrases like this can enrich your language skills and life perspective. Let's unfold the layers of this phrase together. The phrase, keep pace with time, metaphorically suggests moving at the same speed as time progresses. It's not about literal speed but about adapting to new trends, technologies, and societal changes. In a world where change is the only constant, keeping pace with time means staying relevant, informed, and flexible. Why is it essential to keep pace with time? In both personal and professional realms, being attuned to the changes around us can lead to greater opportunities, innovation, and personal growth. It helps us make informed decisions, embrace new technologies, and understand shifting cultural landscapes. Failure to adapt can result in being left behind, as the world moves forward without pause. So, how can one keep pace with time? Here are a few strategies. Stay curious. Always be willing to learn and explore new ideas. Embrace change. Instead of resisting, see change as an opportunity for growth. Update your skills. Regularly refine and learn new skills to stay competitive and relevant. Stay informed. Follow current events, trends, and advancements in your field of interest or work. Let's look at some practical examples. In technology, regularly updating your software and understanding new digital tools. In education, educators incorporating modern teaching methods and digital learning tools. In personal growth, adopting new habits or hobbies that align with the changing times and personal development goals. To keep pace with time is to embrace the beauty of change and the endless possibilities it brings. It's about being proactive, open-minded, and ready to step into the future with confidence. We hope this video has inspired you to reflect on how you can keep pace with time in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember, staying updated is not just about keeping up. It's about thriving in a constantly evolving world. See you in the next video.